Attorney, sino ang ipe-present for Mary Grace Piatos? I mean, you don't have to name the name, but is it a real person? Is it just an alias? What is it?
We don't want. It's in the list. It's in our list, and strategy-wise, she will be subpoenaed. If the prosecution
Saan
wants
ipapadala yun?
to, if the
Saan
prosecution
ipapadala
wants
yung
to name
subpoena kay
her,
Mary Grace Piatos?
we don't know. We don't know her address. We don't know. Perhaps we will send it to the office of the Vice President.
Okay. Saka
Attorney,
yung green box, dahil hindi na natuloy na binuksan eh. But sure naman tayo na mabubuksan yan during the trial.
In the pre-trial in the last day yesterday, since they did not want the opening of the box, and that is understandable, no, kasi it should be addressed to the impeachment court. Ang sinabi na lang ng prosecution namin, markahan na lang natin yung box. They also did not want the box to be marked. No? So,
Ano yun? Pero sigurado siyang mabubuksan during the trial, di ba?
yes, because in the pre-trial, no, even if the defense did not want the box to be marked, meron kami reservation.
Yes.
Kasi normally the rule is if you did not mark it during the pre-trial, you cannot proceed. Unless Chairman Jinky, the head of our public prosecutors, made a clear manifestation and reservation that this is among the documents that will be presented during the impeachment trial. So may reservation. They cannot
Tuloy siya
suppress
na
that
mabubuksan
evidence.
siya. Okay.
I think there can be no suppression of that evidence because when the articles of impeachment was transmitted to the House, kasama yung mahiwagang box na yan.
Oo nga.
When it was transmitted to the Senate, yung articles of impeachment together with the annexes and evidence, kasama po yung mahiwagang box na yan.
Yung mahiwagang box, alam naman natin laman, yung tax declaration. Apart from that, makikita din natin yung mga sal and date ni Vice President. During the trial, the people can expect that?
Yes, because it is one of the listed evidence. In fact, the importance of that evidence is apparent because this was used in the House Committee on Justice for determining probable cause.
Attorney, balikan ko lang po si Mary Grace, si Piatos, si Ms. Piatos. Would it be fair to say that that she's being summoned or subpoenaed to deliberately make the point or send a message across that she does not exist?
Well, I don't want to discuss strategy here. If I reveal strategy, I will probably have to kill you.
Go ahead, Attorney. Ang kulit daw natin. But what about si...
With your permission.
Kawawa naman si Tempura, attorney. Ba't hindi siya naisama?
Tsaka si Popoy.
Bakit si Piatos lang? Si Nova. Paano si Nova? Si Tempura.
May Chippy ba?
Oo.
Si Chippy.
Oo.
Chippy pa, Chippy.
Kawawa naman. Paborito ko pa naman yun, Chippy.
What about si Attorney Michael Poa, whom we heard was also on the prosecution's witness list. But again, he's of course the defense lead counsel. Pwede ba yun, Attorney? Or is it going to be made a hostile witness?
Well, as I said, we cannot reveal strategy, but I think it's safe to say that he is mentioned in our pre-trial brief. Kasi both parties were required to name witnesses in the pre-trial brief. And his name is there. Whether he will be presented or not will depend on the strategy as the trial continues.
Kumalat, attorney, na nung pre-trial meetings, nilamon daw kayo yung prosecution. So, anong reaction mo ron? Nilamon daw kayo?
Nilamon kami?
Oo. Kumalat yan, no? Sa social media. Oo.
I don't know how it made kalat, because there was no media around. But that is not true. And as a matter of fact, our public prosecutor, Jinky, it's not fair to say na linamon siya. Because this was not a matter of who made lamon, who what, and who. No? This was just a matter of counsels for both parties, the prosecution and the defense, making arguments on the respective sides. That there was some heated discussion. It is part of court proceedings, di ba? Ganyan lang yan eh. Who made lamon? I don't think lamon is correct. And as a matter of fact, it ended up that date ended up being very cordial because that gave rise to an occasion for the Senate clerk of court to come out with agreements between the parties.
Yes. Alam ko naman,
Really, or an
attorney,
agreement to disagree.
alam ko naman, attorney, knowing you, pag may lumamon sa inyo, mabubulunan eh.
Ay, sinabi mo yan. In fact, wala nga sabi. Ang ko lang mainit ang ulo ko, period ko. Hindi ko alam na kinote naman ako.
I saw that soundbite.
Attorney,
Ako din, ako din.
I
pahabol
mean,
ko lang.
stop.
Balikan ko lang si Acho Castillo. Final na ba yon? Yung lahat ng cases regarding that his death. Wala nang buhay na case doon in connection with Acho Castillo.
The decision came out on October 17.
Yes.
It came out, and there were 11 convicted. And sadly, ang sad doon is ang mga after 7 years of trial. So this case was filed in 2018 and 2017. Kanya nag-anti-hazing law nung 2018. And this was finally decided on October 1, 2024 against only 10 members. Again,
Yes. 10.
sadly, ang sad dito is parts like this
Please.
na kasama niya doon sa initiation. Mga neophytes rin, walang school authority, walang dean, walang senior
Wala.
judge. No? So these are freshman students, also neophytes in the fraternity and underclass UST who were convicted, and that is why when the decision came out, I also felt, no? Kasi pro bono case namin, I also felt for the parents of these neophytes who I think also whose futures, no, are now affected. So on appeal ito, this case is on appeal, except for one of them who was convicted who did not appeal and already served term. And has been released for, I think this is being released for good behavior. Sana ganun ang mangyari. Even if they do serve their term, sana matapos na yung appeal so they can start serving their term and they can be released for good. Their future is ahead
Lahat sila
Habol.
nakakulong.
with their parents.
Okay.
Yes po.
Pahabol na,
Nakakulong sila.
last na tanong na, attorney, on a personal note, paano noong 2016 tumakbo kayong senador eh? Ito bang 2028 may plano kayo?
Yes.
Yun.
Do I need it? I need it like a hole in the head.